Are you currently facing difficult challenges in your life and stressed out about a decision or choice you have to make? Blue Tiger's Eye might be the perfect crystal for you. Use Blue Tiger's Eye during your daily meditation to help you deepen your spiritual practice and your abilities, helping to illuminate issues that may have been difficult for us to see. It can also enhance your intuition and aid in our understanding and bring clarity to the internal conflicts that consistently distract us from achieving our desires. Wearing Blue Tiger's Eye jewelry is an effective way to connect with the stone's energy throughout the day. If you get nervous about speaking or giving a presentation, wear a Blue Tiger's Eye necklace or bracelet to help relax your throat chakra and also foster effective communication. Carry a Blue Tiger's Eye tumbled stone with you when you're on the go to help reduce stress and to ease anxiety. It brings a go with the flow attitude, reminding us that balance and harmony are essential. I also like to have Blue Tiger's Eye with me at work as it helps reveal good choices and helps increase my confidence. In addition to wearing and carrying Blue Tiger's Eye, it also can be placed in your home, car, or desk to help promote peace and harmony in your home and attract good luck and prosperity. To cleanse Blue Tiger's Eye, it's a water-safe crystal, as we know from the Mohs hardness scale, as it grades between a 6.5 and a 7. So you can hold this stone under running water to cleanse it. You can also use your preferred method of smoke cleansing, soil from the earth, sound cleansing, or placing it under the full moon. Please like and follow for more.